And the latest breaking news that's coming in is a video appeal that has been issued by Rahul Gandhi. He has gone on to say that there should be a debate. And who is he asking this debate to be held by? He says that the Prime Minister should debate on the NEET issue. So Rahul Gandhi is stepping up the attack. And Rahul Gandhi now goes on to say that there must be a debate on NEET and the Prime Minister must debate him on NEET. Let's listen in.
This is for all the students who took NEET and also the students who are taking other competitive exams in the country. There's been a disaster as far as NEET is concerned. Everybody knows that the paper was leaked. People made thousands of crores of rupees. And the students were hurt, were damaged. The students studied for years. It's their dream, their aspiration to enter the medical field, and that dream and aspiration has been destroyed and ridiculed. And that is why yesterday in the opposition meeting, I personally raised this issue and I said, look, to send a message to the students that we care for them, we believe in them, they are the future, we need to spend one day discussing NEET. And there was a unanimous agreement among all opposition parties that yes, a discussion on NEET, a one-day discussion on NEET is required and should be done. And we're committed to having that discussion peacefully in a very, very accommodating manner. I tried to raise it in Parliament. Of course, as you saw, I wasn't allowed to speak. This is an issue that has affected 2 crore students. 70 times in 7 years, papers have been leaked. It's clear that there is a systemic problem. It is clear that there is huge amount of corruption, and we simply cannot continue like this. Also, the students...
So this is a systemic problem, says Rahul Gandhi. He also brings in some numbers. He says that there have been multiple leaks in the last 7 years itself. Then he says he tried to speak, he wants to speak for the students, but he wasn't allowed to. And the political face-off over NEET in Parliament is only escalating. My colleague Sabyasachi is also joining us. And Sabyasachi, Rahul Gandhi has issued another appeal, a video appeal, this time talking about a debate that should take place around NEET. The government says they are ready. The opposition says that we are not being allowed to speak, but we saw the pandemonium that took place. What is the opposition strategy vis-a-vis NEET?
Well, absolutely. See, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has released another video appeal asking that along with the opposition party, the centre should indulge in a discussion, in a dedicated discussion on the NEET controversy. Now, Mr. Gandhi has emphasized that around 2 crore students, their career is at risk, and looking at the larger picture, it is very much important that with the centre and the opposition together, a joint statement must be released. Now, on the other hand, the government has been saying that this particular issue, whatever the issue is of the opposition party, everything will be discussed during the discussion of President's review. See, at this particular time, we had seen that how the ruckus started inside the Parliament, and several times from the Lok Sabha Speaker, a warning has been given to the opposition leaders, but despite that, the protests continued. Now, the opposition parties has been saying that the central government is running away from having any sort of discussion on the NEET controversy, and that is the reason why they do not want the discussion to take place inside the Parliament. Whereas starting from the Lok Sabha Speaker to the Education Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, they have said that the centre have taken all the necessary steps. The President of India has condemned this controversy. The President herself has stated that people who are responsible won't be spared at any given cost, as well as the CBI inquiry has started. People are now getting arrested. That is the reason why in Rajya Sabha as well, when Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar was speaking, time and again he was also warning the Member of Parliament in the upper house to maintain the decorum of the house. At that particular time, H.D. Deve Gowda, in fact, had taken the stand of the government, stating that we have to wait for the inquiry report. Once the inquiry report comes out, then we would be able to know that who are the people responsible behind it, and strict action will be be taken. Till that time, it is very much important that we maintain the decorum of the house and make sure that the house functions in a proper way. This is what the government has been telling the opposition parties, that this discussion on the NEET controversy will take place, but not without compromising the decorum
there are
of the
some
house.
charges that are being fired by the Bharatiya Janata Party too. There are MPs of the Bharatiya Janata Party who are saying that as the LOP, Rahul Gandhi knows that he will not get his facts right. Now, this is a charge made by some BJP MPs, and that is why there is an attempt to create this disruption and noise over the NEET issue. Because when the government has said that we are ready for a debate, the HRD minister himself has gone on to say that I'm ready to give out all statements. Why was there this kind of a pandemonium that was created both in the lower house and the upper house?
Well, absolutely. See, at this particular time, the government, the NDA-led government clearly has leveled charges against the opposition party, stating that this disruption which is created inside both the houses, in the upper house and the lower house, was created knowingly. Because today as well, while Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla was speaking, he very well clarified that all the issues of the opposition MPs would be addressed during the precedent review. At that particular, despite the Lok Sabha Speaker telling that, we had seen that the opposition MPs continue their protests, continue to shout slogans. In fact, in Rajya Sabha as well, slogans like Mantri Hatao, Mantri Bhagao, these sort of slogans were being raised by the opposition MP. But as far as the government is concerned, see, the BJP MPs have leveled charges against the opposition MPs, specifically the Congress party, stating that Congress party and other opposition leaders have the habit of disrupting the house and destroying the decorum of the house. Meanwhile, on the other hand, completely ignoring the fact that both Lok Sabha Speaker as well as the Education Minister, all of them have told on record that the government is ready to have a discussion on both the houses, but while maintaining the decorum of the house.
All right,
so this is the point which...
So, war of words has erupted. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with all those details. But viewers, let's now tell you about how this controversy is playing out. Viewers, it is the NDA now that is accusing the opposition, especially the Congress party, of trying to, in fact, disrupt the parliament over the NEET issue, and they really don't want a debate. You're seeing the kind of pictures that are coming in, and they're showing this to you constantly. Rahul Gandhi leading the charge of the opposition, especially when it comes to the Congress party. And the former Prime Minister, H.D. Deve Gowda, also going on to make appeals that, yes, steps are being taken to assuage students. Disruption will not help them. In Tamil Nadu, the DMK too is stepping up its attack, and the NSUI is leading its protest. Now listen in to how the NDA is hitting back at the opposition, accusing them of disruption and doing this just because they do not want a debate. Listen in.
हम फिर से कहना चाहते हैं, सरकार किसी भी मुद्दे पे चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन नियम के तहत होना चाहिए। आदरणीय स्पीकर महोदय ने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से बात बताया कि जो मुद्दे विपक्ष के नेता उठाने चाहते हैं, अपने समय जो तय किया है उस समय पूरा बात रख सकते हैं, क्योंकि 3 दिन का चर्चा है। प्रेसिडेंशियल एड्रेस का, मोशन ऑफ थैंक्स का 3 डेज चर्चा का तय किया गया है। 3 दिन में अपने बातों को विस्तार से रख सकते हैं, और हमने सरकार की तरफ से बताया कि हर मुद्दे जो भी उठाएंगे उसका हम विस्तृत रूप से जानकारी देंगे, सदन में बात रखेंगे।